Okay guys, I'm so excited. I just got my stuff from Tesery. Let's check it out for the review of the product. Can I open the door? I need the key to open the door. Okay, thank you. Okay, I got my stuff here from Tesery. So this is Tesery Sun, I would say the windscreen protector. So let's just check it out. So first, let's look at the product. It comes in a very cool bag. Okay, this is a cool bag. Easy to store once you're done. And it open up so easy. How fast is it to open and close? I would say it's like, what, 1 second? Okay, let's check it out. Okay, it is quite huge. So once you just open this, and you will notice that there is this reflector. So the reflector will be facing out and the black part will be facing in. Okay. Installation, I would say, is quite straightforward. There is a strip here that you can open and put it in, so you can hold things in place. So what you need to do is just use this to cover. So first we're talking about the fabric here. I would say, if you can come and see closer, the fabric is actually it's quite thick, especially over here, and it's flexible, so you can have it to cover every single edge, like so. It totally blocks the sun. So if you want to have privacy and you don't want any, heat coming in, especially in my car, I haven't thinned yet. So this is actually a very good, I would say, a good accessory to have. I would suggest that every Tesla would have this, because you know how hot Malaysia is. And I will say this definitely a good buy. Come, let's go and check it out on the outside. Okay, so this is how it looks like in the outside. So you can see that it's reflecting whatever heat there is with this reflecting heat technology. And I would say I like the material. It's actually quite thick. It's not like the thin and flimsy type. So yeah, how to keep this is very straightforward. Once you're done, just remove the Velcro and just close it like so and turn. Oops. And there you go. You have it. And you can always store it either the side here, or you can put it back in the trunk, just like at the back. Let's go. So once you're done, you just need to put it back in the bag that they provide, which I think is good, because I've previously purchased similar kind of thing, but it's not this good quality. It doesn't come with a bag, and it's not even a total blackout. So if you're looking for any windscreen blackout sunshade, then this is the one to go. Okay, let's check out the second one. Okay, so this second one, is trying to steal my shine. Anyways, the next product is, normally when you have like a Tesla, you know that there's a middle console and it's empty, it's big space, but you get everything very messy. So how do we solve it? With an organizer. What is it? It is a organizer. As you can see, it is made from cover with a velvet fabric, and there is a partition here. Now the purpose of the velvet, so that it doesn't slide things around, like it doesn't get all noisy. And this is how it looks like. Okay, now is to test it out. As you notice, there is a very big space here in the center console, but it's very big and spacious, and it's not organized, so we end up throwing things like this in the middle. So how can we solve this? Well, with an organizer. Okay, so we just need to take this out, and we just need to insert it in like so, and it easily slides. See that? It slides, and it's the same velvet that you have in the car. It's the same over here, so it's very stealth. It actually complements, doesn't feel off. Okay, so you just put your things, like for example, I want to put my tissue, I'm gonna put my glasses, okay, here, and you can have things nicely organized with this. and you have space to put other stuff. Let's go for the next product. Let's go. Okay, the last one is one of my, I would say, very excited and one of a favorite, which is this. As you can see, right, Tesla have a very nice panoramic sunroof, which is one of the good, and I would say that's one of the plus point about this car. Very nice, but at the same time in Malaysia it's very hot. So how do we solve this? Like when you don't want the sun to like burn you, is this is a cover, the roof cover, so that you can have it on and off as you please. And I would say that flexibility helps a lot, and we don't want anything too bulky, so this is actually, I would say, a very good one. So let's try it out. Zip open. This is how it looks like inside. Ooh. Wow. So it's the same kind of fabric as what we saw earlier with the sunshade here. And we have it in two separate units. So let's check it out. Why is it two in a bit? Right, same thing. It's the same kind of material. Okay, open. Okay. So this will, as I mentioned, that this will be facing out and the black will be facing in. I don't know how to do this as easy as I can. So it's supposed to go on top of the roof, like so. So there are two separate panels because if not, it's going to be too huge. You can't put it. That's why they're separate in two. All right. How to put it on? They actually come with the clips. So this clip is to hold it in place. So if you actually put your finger here, right, you'll notice there's actually a gap. This is where this pin actually comes in. So it's supposed to pin it. So let's try it out. One. I'm not sure where it goes where. Okay, let's try. So this goes up. And then, oh yeah, I'm going to show the clip first, right? The clip goes here. And then this will slide through.
A few moments later.
Now that we can see how it actually looks like, here is bigger, here is smaller. Just a smaller part. Anyway, there's a clip. The clip, we will need to clip it. Oh, not sure. There's a wedge. Oh my god. Okay, just push it in and snap it down. Okay, then we do the next clip over here. Push it in, push it down, then it will snap in. One, two, should be in the middle, should be front. Same thing. We have an audience, a dog audience. So we clip there already, and the next one is here. So notice that right here, this side facing up. Just follow the instructions. Okay. Okay. So we already have the clip put on here. So we should be able to slot it in like so.
A few moments later.
So I noticed it was the other way around. I need to snap it from bottom up. Then that's correct. So folks, this is the right one. Not this is the right one. Okay, let's flip this around. Oops. Down. Okay, push down. Push it down and it snaps up. So it's actually quite easy. It's just I got it wrong. That's all. All right, let's go and install this. So we're just going to install it by having the clip already installed on top, and we're gonna push it in here like so, and push that so it goes into the slot. Okay, so here another one. Okay, put it in. It's in. Here's the other clip. Where did it fall to? So far, even with, just with one clip here, this is just to hold it in place. It's actually quite sturdy. And I would say that the metal or steel that is holding this in place is actually very, I would say it's quite thick. It's not like flimsy or whatsoever. So it's holding in place very, very good. So let's just try to install the others, the second panel over here, and see how it looks like. Okay. Okay, so if you see there's a wedge like that, like a notch, sorry, if you see like a notch, it's at the back. Let us install the other clips. So what we have learned is the flat surface is facing upwards and the clip is facing downwards. Okay, so we're gonna install it properly this time. Push it down. Oops. Can you see? Push it down and you have a clip sound. Oh, you'll notice that actually it writes there Model Y. Let me show you. Model Y rear, this side facing up. So we know that this is the rear, the back one. So we come to a conclusion that we need to have more clips on this side. So we're going to move it downwards. There you go. And then here, similarly, I'm going to move it here. And this one. Okay, let's go. So where do we install this? This notch goes to here. So yeah, just follow the shape. Okay, let's install. Push it a bit, like so, and put it into, yep. So it fits very nicely. This clip is for us to have these two panels to combine together or to stick to each other, right? But I'm not going to use it because I know this is it's already doing its job even without it. It's not falling down or whatsoever, so I'm just going to leave it like this and it's good. Okay, so how does it look like on top after having the sunroof shade? This is how it looks like.
You can't really see.
Yep, you can't see anything, but technically that's how it looks like.
You can't see anything.
That's the whole idea, isn't it? You don't want people to look inside. Anyways, it's good to have this roof sunshade, especially if like you're going for, I don't know, like camping. You don't want some people looking in, and you can have this shade on top and also to cover your windscreen so you have some privacy, but if you can, also get the sides. Thank you, Tesery, for sending us your products, and I love it so much, and I bet you all will love it too. If you like what you see, the links are in the description. Don't forget to use my coupon code and get a discount. I'm Krystle Wong. Until then, see you in the next video. Bye-bye!